7 months after Argentina registered its first case of COVID-19, restrictions in Buenos Aires are now easing. Bars are permitted to open for customers, happy to brave the evening chill for a drink. Buenos Aires had seen an explosion in the craft beer scene in recent years, but the pandemic has forced microbreweries like this to rethink its strategy. The company that makes Rabieta managed to maintain its sales at supermarkets across the country during lockdown, but now they are looking further afield. Customers in Shanghai and Hong Kong will soon be able to order one of these.
We believe we have an excellent quality.
This company began brewing 3 years ago. The pandemic pushed it into expanding production and exporting sooner than they had expected.
We have been working with several distributors to show our product, and they also accelerate the process because the type of change in Argentina and the conditions make us to accelerate that process, and now we are very happy to go to China. We are also thinking to go to the States, to go to Spain and other countries around here, Argentina.
The first of 3 container loads of Rabieta craft beer set off for China last week, and this is welcome news for a small company beginning to export at a time when Argentina urgently needs to bring in dollars as the country's central bank reserves are falling. The government recently announced tax cuts aimed at attracting dollars from the agricultural sector. Argentina's economy relies on commodities, and since the outbreak of COVID-19, exports to China have increased by over 20%. But analysts say those exports are still mostly raw materials, and that Argentina can and must export more products.
That will have direct impact on the country's regional economies. However, it does not mean that impact will be a game changer for those regional economies. This is just one more step in consolidating the country's export capacity. That is a process that still has many issues yet to resolve to allow Argentine businesses to make the most of the Chinese market.
China has been Argentina's main trading partner since April. High-level Argentine officials and business leaders will attend next month's China International Import Expo in Shanghai, as both nations are eager to increase trade. Joel Richards, CGTN in Buenos Aires.